Phase 3, the infiltration, becoming a part of your business.
They don't deliver goods, they deliver backdoors. The ghost employee. A synthetic identity with high-level access, authorized at the highest level. No one checked the origin. Climbing the ladder. From small supplier to strategic partner. Siphoning your trade secrets. One microbyte at a time. The ghost company doesn't innovate. It replicates. Coordinating the heist from across 1,000 nodes. Your value is bleeding into the void. The ghost is moving the market. Using your capital. Neutralizing your internal defenses from the inside. The silence of a company that doesn't exist.
Ownership is being redefined by the machine.
The entity swarm. Obscuring the trail through complexity. A contract with a ghost. A deal with the void.
Infiltration peak reached.
The target is fully compromised. Extraction begins.
Direct access to assets. No alarm triggered.
Monetizing the deception. The ghost is now master.
The highway of espionage. No speed limits.
Dismantling your reputation. Siphoning your future.
The predator watches its success. Silent. Cold.
Typing the script for your total capital drain. Deconstructing the corporate structure. Finding gaps.
Capital extraction. Active. Bypassing the treasury. Winning the war of trust.
Burning your financial legacy.
The helpful supplier is actually a parasite.
Distorting reality until truth is a memory. Synthesizing authority. The final handshake.
The moment of the breach. Data is gone.
Liquidation initialized.
The ghost has what it came for. Exit next. Fear is visible in the city lights. The phantom owner takes it all.
One small ghost node. The origin of the end.
The system cannot survive the ghost's fire.
Target vacated. The ghost is gone. Damage is permanent.
The machine watches. Unmoved and cold.
The lonely celebration of the thief.
Currency of the ghost economy. The abyss of espionage. No return. Looking for the next shell entity.
Cycle complete. Choosing the next target company.
A new dawn for the ghost company.
The end of traditional security.
Safety is a relic of the past.
Status. Ghosted.
Phase 4. The cost of ghosting.